So question 1, which one of the following is not true about Janapada? Its literal meaning is the place where people place their feet. A Janapada was essentially an agricultural settlement. B. C whole a Janapada were often named after the dominant Kshatriya class. Net D. The establishment of Janapadas show that trade had become the most important factor in the contemporary life. So the correct answer is D. কোনটো ট্ৰু নহয় বুলি কৈছে এইকেইটাৰ ভিতৰত সো এ বি সি গোটেইকেইটা ট্ৰু হয় সো ডি ট্ৰু নহয় ঠিক আছে নেক্সট question B question 2 with reference to the invaders in ancient India which one of the following is correct chronological order etu IAS 2006 ত হোৱা হৈছে ঠিক আছে A Greeks Shakas Kushans B Greeks Kushans Sakas C Sakas Greeks Kushans D Shakas Kushans Greeks the correct answer is A Greeks Shakas Kushans প্ৰথম গ্ৰীক সকল আহিছিল তাৰছত শাকা সকল আহিছিল তাৰছত কুশান লাষ্টত আহিছিল ঠিক আছে question 3 consider the following statements to Magad emerged as the most important state in India around 2600 years ago emergence of two major number 1 emergence of two major faiths Buddhism and Jainism in Magad 2 whole efficient rulers of Magad who increased its territory 3 whole geographical setting and the fertile plain and 4 whole abundance of elephant in the region so which of the following statement given above are correct ঠিক আছে A whole 1 2 3 B whole 2 3 4 C 1 3 4 and D all of these so correct answer hobo 3B 2 3 and 4 8 inta important point asile which felicitated Magad to emerge as the most important state in India ঠিক আছে next assertion flourishing of the urban city states in the 6th century BC in India was the resultant to the application of iron etu assertion hoy reason to whole iron was easy imported from Europe and Central Asia where it helped in the flows of the great Greek Roman civilization and they had good concernal contacts with Indian monarchs here codes keta hol both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A C A is true but R is false na D A is false but R is true ঠিক আছে correct answer to hobo correct answer to hobo C A is true but R is false ঠিক আছে next question number 5 which of the following kingdoms did not appear in the later Vedic North India A Kuru Panchala B Koshala C Kashi D Anga the correct answer is D Anga ঠিক আছে question 6 consider the following statements the last Mauryan ruler Brihadartha was assassinated by his commander in chief Pushpamitra Shunga the last Shunga ruler Devabhuti was assassinated by his Brahman minister Vasudev Kanva who usurped the throne the last ruler of Kanva dynasty was disposed by the Andhras so which of the statements given above is are correct only 1 only 2 only 3 ne all of these so answer to hobo 6 all of these gote geta correct hoy thik ase question number 7 Which of the following statements about the trade regulations in the Mauryan period is not correct? There was a general control over processes and profits. The sale of merchandise was strictly supervised by the state. C. The general tax levied on merchandise was fixed at 1/10. ঠিক আছে, D2 হল the state directly employed one of artisans such as armorers, shipbuilders, etc. কোনটো not correct, কোনটো correct নহয়? The correct answer is মানে যোনটো correct নহয় সেইটো হ'ব C, বা এটা correct হয়. The general tax levied on merchandise was fixed at 110. এটো correct নহয়, ঠিক আছে? Question number 8. Which of the following provides the correct sequence of dynasties ruling at Magad? A. Brihadartha, Haryanka, Shishunaga, Nanda. B. Haryanka, Brihadartha, Shishunaga, Nanda. C. Haryanka, Shishunaga, Nanda, Brihadartha. D. Brihadartha, Shishunaga, Haryanka, Nanda. The correct answer is মই কৈছোৱে already C. প্ৰথম হৰিয়াংকা ডাইনেষ্টি আহিছিলে, তাৰপিছত শিশুনাগা ডাইনেষ্টি আহিছিলে, তাৰপিছত নন্দা ডাইনেষ্টি, লাষ্টত বৃহদাৰ্থা ডাইনেষ্টি, ঠিক আছে? Question number 9. Which of the following kings of Magad transferred the capital from Giriraj to Pataliputra? A. Ajatashatru. B. Shishunag. C. Kal Ashok. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Kal Ashok. ঠিক আছে? Question number 10. Which of the following factors was behind Magadhan supremacy? Geographical position. A. The Ganga, Gandak and Gandhara in north and the sun in south, and capital city Rajagriha fortified with 5 hills. Fertile soil and abundance of iron ore, both A and B, and none of the above. So the correct answer is C, both A and B. So both point A or point B was the reason behind Magadha supremacy. ঠিক আছে, Magadhar geographical position to আৰু the abundance of fertile soil and iron ore, এই গোটেইকেইটা পইণ্টে মাগাধাৰ সুপ্ৰিমেচি হোৱাত সহায় কৰিছিলে. Next, 11. Question number 11. Consider the following kings: Ajatashatru, Bimbisara, Prasenjit. Which of these were contemporaries of Gautam Buddha? Gautam Buddhar সমসাময়িক কোনজন ৰজা আছিলে? ঠিক আছে, option A only 1, option B 1 and 3, 2 and 3, option C 1 and 3, option D all of these. Correct answer to hobo option D all of these. So Ajatashatru, Bimbisara, Prasenjit গোটেই কেইজন গৌতম বুদ্ধৰ সমসাময়িক আছিলে, ঠিক আছে? Next. Which of the following observation of Megasthenes about Mauryan society are true? 1. Growing practice of polygamy. 2. Employment of women as palace guards. C. Theft was a rare occurrence. 4. Slavery was absent in Indian society. So the correct answer to hobo A 1, 2 and 3. ঠিক আছে, মেগাস্থেনিছে কৈ গৈছে. Question number 13. Who among the following is considered to be the founder of Mahajanapada of Magad? A. Brahmadatta. B. Palaka. C. Jarasandha. D. Mahasena. Correct answer to hobo C. Jarasandha. Next আমি কেটামান মৌৰ্য ডাইনেষ্টিৰ ওপৰত কুৱেশ্যন চাওঁ, ঠিক আছে? Question 1. Which of the following is the least important as a source material for Mauryan history? A. Numismatic evidence. B. Literary sources. C. Epigraphic sources. D. Foreign accounts. Correct answer is A. Numismatic evidences. ঠিক আছে, numismatic evidences correct answer. So numismatic evidences মানে কি, মানে আপোনাৰ কইন্স জাতীয় বস্তুবোৰ, ঠিক আছে, মেটেল বস্তু বা কইন্স জাতীয় বস্তুবোৰ. নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন 2, which of the following statement regarding Ashoka stone pillar is incorrect? Point A, these are highly polished. B, these are parts of architectural structure. C, the shaft of pillars is tapering in shape. And D, these are monolithic. The correct answer is D, these are monolithic. Monolithic nasile, ঠিক আছে. monolithic মানে কি, কোনবোৰ আমি monolithic structure বুলি কওঁ, যোনবোৰ এটা solid rockৰ পৰা বনোৱা হয়, সেইবিলাকক monolithic বুলি কোৱা হয়. সো monolithic নাছিলে, ঠিক আছে. Question 3, the Dhamma Mahamatras appointed by Ashoka were entrusted with the job of A, checking the abuse in the administration of justice. B, the moral upliftment of people through propagation of Dhamma. C, management of the welfare activities of the state. And D, all of the above. So the correct answer is D, all of the above. মানে A, B, C গোটেইকেইটা correct, ঠিক আছে. Next question number 4, what was the subject of Rock Edict 1 issued by Ashok? A, prohibition of animal sacrifice and festive meetings. B, measure of social welfare undertaken of the benefit of the people. C, literary to Brahmins and Sarmanas. Liberality to Brahmins and Sarmanas. D, visit to both Gaya. ঠিক আছে, তো সাবজেক্টটো কি আছিলে, ৰক এডিক্ট 1ৰ কাৰেক্ট এনসাৰটো হ'ব A, prohibition of animal sacrifices and festive meetings. ঠিক আছে. Question number 5, the Mauryan king who issued the Nagarjuni hill cave inscription and assumed the royal title of Devanampiya was A, Ashok. B, Dashrath. C, Bindusara. D, Brihadartha. So the correct answer is B, Dashrath. ঠিক আছে. 6, which of the following was not one of Hellenic kings to whom diplomatic missions were sent by Ashok? A, Xerxes of Macedonia. B, Antiochus II of Syria. C, Ptolemy of Egypt. D, Antigonus of Macedonia. So the correct answer is A, Xerxes of Macedonia. ঠিক আছে, ডিপ্লোমেটিক মিশনস অশোকাই পঠোৱা নাছিলে, কালে নাছিলে, জাৰ্কসিছলে নাছিলে. নেক্সট question number 7, which of the following statements about the Mauryan Council of Ministers Mantri Parishad is incorrect? Statement 1, the members of the council were personally selected by the king. Statement 2, the number of members of the council was fixed and it consisted of 3 councillors and a chief minister. C, it was specifically consulted in times of emergency. Or D, it may have acted as a political check on king. So the correct answer is B, the number of members of the council was fixed and it considered of 3 councillors and a chief ministers. ঠিক আছে, এটো ইনকারেক্ট হয়. Question number 8, which of the following was considered the most important internal trade route during Mauryan period? A, whole from northwest in the region of Takshila to Pataliputra. B. From Sravasti to Pratisthana. Correct answer is A. From northwest in the region Takshila to Pataliputra. ঠিক আছে, এটোৱে কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার হয়। নেক্সট হল question 9. Which of the following was the factor behind Magadha supremacy? এটো আগতেও কৰা হৈছে। Fertile soil and abundance of iron ore and geographical position. Correct answer to hobo both A and B. Both fertile soil and abundance of iron ore and geographical position. ঠিক আছে। Question number 10. The latest inscription of Ashok were discovered from A. Kandahar bilingual inscriptions. B. Sanatai inscriptions. C. Maski inscriptions. D. Bhabru edict. So latest core pora poa goise. The correct answer is B. Sanatai inscriptions. Question 11. With reference to the guilds of ancient India that played a very important role in the country's economy, which of the following statement are correct? Every guild was registered with the central authority of the state and the king was its chief administrative authority on them. The wages, rules of work, standards and prices were fixed but by the guild. Or net 3 to hold, the guild has judicial powers over its own members. So কোনটো statement correct হয়? ঠিক আছে, option A 1 and 2, B only 3, C 2 and 3, and D all of this. So correct কোনটো হয়? C 2 and 3. ঠিক আছে। Question 12. The Allahabad pillar inscription is associated with which one of the following? Option A Mahapadmananda, B Chandragupta Maurya, C Ashok, D Samudragupta. The correct answer is D Samudragupta. Next whole C. Assertion. According to Ashoka's edict, social harmony among the people was more important than religious devotion. Reason, he spread ideas of equity instead of promotion of religion. Option both A and R are correct, are true. Pratham statement to whole assertion, second statement to whole reason. Option A whole both assertion and reason are true and reason is correct explanation of assertion. B both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. C assertion is true but reason is false. D assertion is false but reason is true. Correct answer to whole A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. ঠিক আছে। So question number 14. The one most important feature of Mauryan administration was A. The presence of a council of ministers. B. The presence of a vast bureaucracy. C. The use of extensive network of spies. D. The enjoyment of wide powers by the provincial governors. The correct answer to hobo B. The presence of a vast bureaucracy. Next আমি কেইটামান question চাম pre-Mauryan period or ঠিক আছে। Which with reference to the invaders in ancient India, which one of the following is correct chronological order? A. Greeks, Shakas, Kushans. B. Greeks, Kushans, Shakas. C. Shakas, Greeks, Kushans. D. Shakas, Kushans, Greeks. Correct answer to hobo A. Greeks, Shakas, তাৰপিছত লাষ্টত Kushans। ঠিক আছে। Next question. Which one of the following sculptures was invariably used green sheets as a medium? A. Maurya sculptures. B. Mathura sculptures. C. Bahrut sculpture. D. Gandhara sculptures. The correct answer is ডি গান্ধারা স্কাল্পচার্স। ঠিক আছে। কোয়েশ্চেন 3, which of the following pairs are correctly matched? 1 মৃচ্ছাকাটিকম আৰু এফালে ৰাইটাৰজনৰ নাম দিয়া আছে শূদ্ৰকা। বি 2 হ'ল বুদ্ধ চৰিত্ৰ, ৰাইটাৰ নাম দিয়া আছে বাসুবন্ধু। সি হ'ল মুদ্ৰা ৰক্ষকা, ৰাইটাৰজনৰ নাম দিয়া আছে বিশাখা দত্তা। আৰু 4 হৰ্ষ চৰিত্ৰ, ৰাইটাৰজনৰ নাম দিয়া আছে বাণভট্ট। সো কোনটো কাৰেক্ট হয়? অপশ্যন এ 1 and 3, বি 1, 2, 3 and 4, সি 1 and 4, ডি all of these. So correct answer is B 1, 3 and 4. 1, 3 and 4. ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে। বুদ্ধ চৰিত্ৰ লিখিছিলে অশ্বাক হুচাই। Question number 4. Consider the following statements. The last Mauryan ruler Brihadartha was assassinated by his commander-in-chief Pushyamitra Sunga. The last Sunga ruler Devabhuti was assassinated. এইটো question আমি আগতেই কৰি আহিছোঁ। Devabhuti was assassinated by his Brahmana minister Vasudev Kanva, who usurped the throne. The last ruler of Kanva dynasty was deposed by the Andhras. এইটো all of these are correct. ঠিক আছে, এইটো আমি আগতেও কৰি আহিছোঁ। Next, question number 5. What is the chronological sequence of the Satavahana rulers given below? A. Gautamiputra Satakarni, Yajnashri Satakarni, Hala আৰু Ptolemy II. B. Ptolemy II, Hala, Gautamiputra Satakarni, Yajnashri Satakarni. C. Hala, Gautamiputra Satakarni, Ptolemy II ने Yajnashri Satakarni. D. Ptolemy II, Yajnashri Satakarni, Hala ने Gautamiputra Satakarni. A B C D কোনটো কারেক্ট হ'ব? কারেক্টটো হ'ব C. Hala, Gautamiputra Satakarni, Ptolemy II and Yajnashri Satakarni. ঠিক আছে। Question 6. Consider the following statements. Consider the following statements. Statement কেটা কি হ'ল? The Indo-Greeks were the first to issue gold coins. Second statement to hold, the Indo-Greeks were the first who issued coins in their names. Which of the following statements given above is are correct? Only 1, B only 2, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 and 2. Correct answer is B only 2. ঠিক আছে। Question 7. Consider the following statement about the Mathura school of art. The Hellenistic of Greek influence was much more in this art. Aristocratic elements to some extent were present in the Mathura art. Which of the statements given above is are correct? Option A only 1, B only 2, C both 1 and 2, and D neither 1 and 2. The correct answer is B only 2. ঠিক আছে। Nasik inscription is related to? Answer is B Gautami Bala Shri. ঠিক আছে। Question 9. Heliodorus, a Greek ambassador, came to India in the reign of Heliodorus কাৰ সময়ত আহিছিলে? Option A Pushpamitra, B King Kharavela, C Bhagabhadra নে D Kanishk কাৰ সময়ত আহিছিলে? এনসাৰটো হ'ব C Bhagabhadra. Next, who was the Kushan ruler who called himself as Maheshwar? Option A Kujala Katpishis, B Vima Katpishis, C Kanishka, D Huvishka. The correct answer is B. Vima Kadphises. Vima Kadphises নিজকে মহেশ্বৰ বুলি কৈছিলে ঠিক আছে Question 11 Consider the following statement about post-Mauryan period Pulamavi second the Satavahana king founded the town of Navanagar ঠিক আছে second point to hold Yajna Satakarni Satavahana king was described as Trishmudra Fipati by Bana Trishmudra Fipati Aru third to hold the officer of Amatya and Pratiha appears first in the inscription of Satavahana which of the following statements given above is are correct Option A 1 and 2 B 2 and 3 C 3 and 1 and 3 and D all of these correct answer is B 2 and 3 ঠিক আছে B 2 and 3 correct হয় Question 12 Who patronized Mathura art and built a stupa at Purushpur A Kujala Kadphises B Rudradaman C Vima Kadphises D Moga 12 is C Vima Kadphises ঠিক আছে So question number 13 The capital of Satavahana was located at A Amravati B Paithan C Naidurg D Durg The correct answer is B Paithan Question number 14 Who among the following scholars were contemporary of Kanishk 1 Ashma Ghosha B Nagarjuna 3 Vasumitra D Chanakya So select the correct answer using the codes given below option A 1 and 2 B 3 and 4 C 2 and 4 and D 1 2 and 3 The correct answer is D 1 2 and 3 Ashma Ghosha Nagarjuna and Vasumitra ঠিক আছে all were contemporary to Kanishka Chanakya was contemporary to Chandragupta Maurya মনত ৰাখিবা So আজিলৈ ইমানেই আছিল ফ্ৰেন্ডছ আশা কৰিলো আপোনালোকে এনশিয়েন্ট ইণ্ডিয়ান হিষ্ট্ৰীৰ ওপৰত এই মেৰাথন সেশনটো ভাল পালে যদি এই ভিডিওটো চাই ভাল পালে এটা লাইক কৰিব ভিডিওটো চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি লব কাৰণ আমি গোটেই ইণ্ডিয়ান হিষ্ট্ৰী গোটেই কেইটানি কভাৰ কৰিম আগন্তুক ভিডিওবোৰত ঠিক আছে সো আজিলৈ আহিছো এভৰিবডি টেক কেয়াৰ বাই বাই